Guys, we are back here with some exhaust upgrades. The 2-bolt flange that I have for my combination up and down pipe, it doesn't leak like a sieve, but it definitely leaks. And on top of that, the whole cat back on this is one piece, so I'm going to put one where the 2-bolt used to be and one in the middle of the mid pipe so that it's actually a mid pipe and not just the rest of the exhaust. These Auger style mufflers in. I've used these in the past. They do quiet the car down pretty good. You do get flow through the actual center of it as well as all around. So it's not a huge restriction, but it does make the air take a longer path. So it quiets it down. I'm going to go ahead and give this a cut right about here. I'm going to leave myself a little bit for the V-band. Alright, so we got our V-band on the pipe. Gonna give this a couple of welds. Alright, so we got 3 tacks on each of these. We're going to pull the V-band off, and I can then pull the exhaust down, finish welding this flange, finish welding this one, and then I've got to cut the front flanges off and get all that lined up for the next video. See, the reason that I'm replacing these is because this black around here, the black around here, and the black there, it's all leaking. Normally you wouldn't have to loosen these motor mounts to get the header out. My header and up pipe are one piece, and the up pipe portion of it is a full 3-inch like the rest of the exhaust. So it's really narrow when you look at the turbo knockdown problem. got our auger style muffler here. We're gonna stick this in the back section. My plan is I'd like to get it back far enough to get 2 of these in there in case I want a second one. It's a pretty tight fit in there.